made it out of there. I was just another sheep inside the belly of...
If you want something in life, you can get it with or without money. Sometimes it's just faith that works. Words there from Natasha Richards, a former bartender who's now graduated from Monique College with a bachelor's degree in primary education. And Natasha joins us now via Zoom. Good morning, Natasha. Welcome to Smile Jamaica, and congratulations to you.
Good morning, thank you, and thanks for having me.
How does it feel to hear yourself introduced like that?
It's an amazing feeling, to be honest.
Yeah, you've had an amazing journey. I mean, from the time you were born until recently when you got your degree, it's been a lot of ups, maybe more downs, but you managed to make it through. What do you think it was? What is that thing, that qualitative thing that pushed you over the finish line despite all the struggles that you've been through?
My siblings, of course, and the struggles, and the fact that I wanted to remove from poverty itself. No one wants to be there.
Tell me about how you grew up. You mentioned poverty, so talk to us a little bit about growing up poor, essentially.
At first, I was raised with my aunt from baby stage. Then she migrated to the UK, so I started to live with my other aunt. It was it was a struggle for me because my dad wasn't there, so I wasn't getting the parental love that's every child desire, right? So my aunt was raising me. The love wasn't there, as I said before. The money wasn't there. The food wasn't there, and I wasn't the equal love that her children got from her. I didn't get that. Mm-hmm. So when they were getting food and love, it wasn't equal to mine. So it was really a rough journey. Even when I was going to school, my mental health wasn't in the right place.
Yeah.
So
you suffered from a lot of mental anxiety. You used to get fainting spells. You were in a bad place.
Yes, I was.
So eventually you decided you were going to try and see what kind of jobs you could secure to be able to help yourself out of your situation.
Yes.
You worked at a bar at one stage, but
yes,
you decided that was not your thing, eh?
That wasn't my thing, because while I was at the bar, persons would come and like, what are you doing here? This is not for you. You're better than this. And also I had to move from the bar. Before I was at the bar, I was at a call center, but because of job vacancy, I had to leave. So I tried the bar. I even tried doing painting at a shop at one point. So I was doing a painting job, and then after the painting finished, I had to leave.
Yeah.
So after that, after the bar, I went to trade as a drumming clerk.
Mm-hmm. As a drumming clerk, and then you got to work in the lab. Tell me about...
No, after doing the drumming, I went to selecting oranges. It wasn't really a promotion, but the drumming, because it's a seasonal job, there wasn't much. I wasn't getting much, so my contractor offered me the opportunity to work on the line where I would work more days and get more money.
Okay, so you selected the oranges. Then after that, you got the promotion to work as a lab technician.
Yes.
So what impact did that and the folks with whom you worked in that area? You said you were surrounded by a lot of brilliant people, very intelligent, very motivational. So what impact did that experience have on you moving forward with the rest of your plans?
It's impacted me in a positive way, where by the people I was surrounded by, they said, Chris, what are you going to do with your life, or what is the plan you have? So it gave me a push to move further. And not only that, while I was in the before I was in the lab, before I went into the lab, I was forced out of my home. Not really my home. It's not. I wasn't really kicked out, but I was given notice where my aunt said she don't want me at the house anymore. So I had to live on my own. So that's where the struggle was real.
Yeah, because I mean, in addition to that now and finding rent, you had to, you enrolled at Monet College. When you started college, your school fee was more than your pay.
Yes.
Every exam period, you were on that list of people who owed the school, but you have managed to
Yes.
graduate, to get your degree, and now you don't owe a cent. So how did you manage to do that?
I managed to get my degree. First, I had to borrow loans. So when I borrow loan from my workplace, when I get the loan, I would pay my school fee, and then after that, now when I get my pay, everything will come out. So I
Nothing
would
to
remain
leave.
with like $0. Then after that I would there was a point where I couldn't borrow any more money from the firm. So I had to beg my principal. She's such a beautiful lady. I had to beg her for me to sit the exams. I have to I went at her desk and I cried. And we said, Miss, please can I sit the exam? Because my plan wasn't to stay there more than 5 years. I wanted to finish as soon as possible because I knew that was my escape. That was the door to run through. And she helped me through. She helped me through where I got through. At one point, I was owing over $300,000.
That's all cleared up now, Natasha?
Yes, I am
Perfect.
debt free.
Perfect. What is your principal's name?
Mrs. Hibbert.
All right. I'll give you a chance to say hi to Mrs. Hibbert and whomever else has helped you to complete this circle and complete this journey. We'll have to wrap it up, but I'll give you that 30 seconds. Go ahead.
Okay. I want to say thanks to Mrs. Hibbert for helping me to pull through. I want to say thanks to my spouse, Javon Gilzine. You're an amazing partner. I want to say thanks to my sister, Asante Richards, for giving me the motivational push. I want to say thanks to my best friends, Gisela Ferguson, Jadine Allen, and Shantae Tola. Also, I want to say thanks to my coworkers, especially Mr. Bradshaw, who helped me to do the handwork. And if I'm forgetting anybody else, I just want to say thanks to everybody who helps me to pull through this journey.
Thank you for sharing your story with us. So inspiring, Natasha. We are all proud of you and we wish you all the best as you head to fulfill your childhood dream of teaching. What a great gift. Thank you for sharing and thank you for being here with us this morning. Teach, can call you teacher now, Natasha Richards, former bartender, now bachelor degree graduate. After the break, we're taking a couple reads off the shelf. Please stay with us.